Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Here to Be Classy with another review on a weight loss adventure. So, a sister has been doing a lot since this pandemic. I should be this little, but I'm this big. Anyway, y'all, excuse me. I am corny like that. I'm sorry. But anyway, so what I was going to say is, Lord Jesus. Yeah, back to the weight loss. Okay, so anyway, my review is on 310 Shakes, and I just discovered this company probably about a week and a half ago. And basically what it is that it replaces meals. So one good thing I learned about losing weight is that if you are tracking calories, which you'll be surprised, you think you're doing it the right way and you're not really. So if you have like a tracker, like I have the oh Lord, I can't remember it right now, y'all. I'll do another review on it. But anyway, the tracker basically says I have to do like 1,500 calories in order to lose like 20 pounds within a month and a half. All right. And so I log in my things, you know, it'll let you put in, you can do the barcode and it'll tell you what is what, whatever. Okay. So at first, when I first started doing this, I'm like, damn, I ain't really eating. I don't know if it's the tea or the damn shakes or what, but I'm not eating. And then on top of that, when you exercise, I ride my bike a lot. Me and my boyfriend, we go and do a lot of bike trails. And so that gives me extra calories to eat. And at first I'm like, all right, that's what's up. Because a girl like to go out and have drinks, you know. And I'll just substitute. And you can't do them shit like that. Matter of fact, ain't no damn way to go. So the whole point is you got to keep on damn eating. So anyway, 310 shakes. When I logged in, it was $9.99 was the special. They gave me 3 shakes. One was chocolate, vanilla, and salted caramel. And I'm sorry, this is what it's called, 310 shakes. So all you gotta do is put 310shakes.com and it'll pull up real easy. But it came in like these cute little bags, satchel bags. And I ordered that for $9.99. And I'm sorry, it also gave you a cup. I was like, I wonder if that cup come with this. I want the damn cup more than the damn shake. Oh, Lord. Anyway, this is the cup. And so I did get this with the $9.99. And y'all, this is the odd thing about this, is that normally it has a ball to shake it up, but this one comes with this. And to be honest, I don't know if this works better or whatever, but hey, it works for me. I just washed this. It smells so good. Anyway, but this is what it looks like. And then it gives you an option to also, oh, hold on. It also gives you an option to add more to your order. So anyway, in the $9.99, I got the 3 shakes, as y'all know. And then I also got these. There are like 2 of them. I haven't tried them yet. I just haven't. I don't know why. I just haven't. I tell you, this stuff is fulfilling. So if nothing else you get from this video, just know that this thing does fill you. I'm a big girl. I mean, I ain't that big, but you know, my appetite don't ever be big, but it works for me. And then you also get this. I haven't tried this just yet. The only reason why is because I know there's a lot of people out in this world who aren't just regular like that. And I'm not talking about going on a regular. I can go on a regular, but if I take like an X-Lax or something like that, I have to take the whole damn pack for it to work. Let's be honest. If I take one, my fucking stomach be so crap, I boy feel like somebody kicked me in my kidneys. So I don't mess with stuff like this. But I'm a tea drinker. I love tea. So I'm gonna try this. Anyway, when you read the reviews on this 310 shake, a lot of people will say, oh, it didn't taste right. Maybe I'll give it another try. Well, maybe you should have just read the goddamn pamphlet. Excuse my French. In the pamphlet, it specifically says, to get the best results, you will need to add almond milk, unsweetened, and a banana. And then you can also blend this bad boy with ice. So look, how in the world they ain't get that part? Now, it does say you can blend it with water, so I ain't gonna knock them, boy, because you know everybody's not perfect, and people reading is fundamental, but some people just don't read. So anyway, the first time I got this, I didn't have the ingredients, and I was so excited to try it. I went ahead and I did it with water. Now, I ain't gonna lie, when I did this thing with water and I smelt it, I'm a real funny stickler about how my food and drinks smell. And I was like, I ain't know about this because this plant-based and Lord, I ain't no soy, I ain't no vegan person, I ain't no soy drinker, none of that. Oh Lord. Then when I tasted, I was like, it tastes alright, but I see what they were talking about. However, and the first flavor that I got was it had strawberry. Sorry, my foot itching. I got bit by a mosquito. So anyway, strawberry, and I was like, ugh, it just wasn't good to me. So then the second go round, I did the coconut delight. That's what it's called, y'all. When I tell y'all, if you got a sweet tooth or you just like sweet shit, not sweet shit like that, but you know, sweet, you like sugar. This is the stuff to get. Y'all, I talked about this shake after that like every day since I got it. I put the banana in it, I put the almond milk in it, and I just sweetened. And to be honest, the calories weren't that bad with sweetened versus unsweetened. And when I say that thing was so damn good, so anyway, this is what I do in the beginning of my day. If I'm gonna go take a walk or if I'm take the bike out, whatever, I drink the ISO tea, which I did do a review on that. And I'm not gonna lie, ISO tea does good for the body when it's like if you are a person who's anxious or frigidity or you just need energy, then go with that. Like it is good. But me personally, I took that. I mix it up with the CBD ISO lemon tea, and then I take an NRG, and then I go do what I gotta do. When I come back, I be like, oh, I'm feeling good. Let me wipe out all this sweat. Sister, I did a lot. What I said just now was the sister did a lot, and I feel good. And then I go to work at 12 because I work from home. Thank God for a job. And all those who don't have a job, I hope everything works out for y'all. I really do. My heart goes out to y'all because we deal with this all day long. It just breaks my heart. But back to the subject. I go ahead and I make me one of these these shakes. And that coconut delight. Oh, Lord, that thing made my taste buds say, poof. I was like, oh my God, I found something. So anyway, I drink that shake by 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock I take the shake. By 2 o'clock, I'm all right. By 3 o'clock, I'm getting a little antsy. By 4 o'clock, I'm like, I'm hungry. So I'll drink another one. I don't go to lunch until 6:30. By the time 6:30 comes for me to go to lunch, I'm not really hungry either. I don't know why. I think it's these damn teas. These shakes. Why do I keep saying tea? Shake. So what I'll do is, you can eat whatever you want at that point because you ain't eat nothing all day. Hell, if you want fried wings, go ahead and have some fried wings. I ain't say go ahead and do that, but you can do it. I've done it. But anyway, it works. And or I'll eat a lean cuisine. I'll eat something. Like today I had a lean cuisine meal and I'm good. I'm not hungry. I had a glass of wine too, but I didn't even much I want the damn wine. I said, wow. So just to let y'all know, 310 shakes does work. It doesn't matter what flavor you get, I believe. It just tastes good and it smells good. And it's like whatever they say that flavor is, that's what it tastes like. Ain't no misunderstanding. So 310 shakes, y'all get 10 stars all across the board. Y'all invest and go ahead and do that bad boy. You got this. You got this. Because the sister gonna lose more than 5 pounds. So I hope this helps someone. I be trying not to have my reviews too long, and this one, it looks like it's going to be the longest. But I just wanted to let y'all know how much I really like this tea. I'm going to do another review with me making the tea, and that's not going to be long. And then, yeah, I just hope it helps somebody out. If you like my content, please subscribe. Help me out, man. Well, give me some tips on how to get some subscribers. I got 7 damn subscribers. But anyway, yeah, if you got any questions, let me know. Comment below. And I will let you know what I know to let you know what you need to know. All right? So anyway, like I said, I wanted to say is my heart goes out to everyone. I'm saying prayers for everyone all across the world, especially with everything we're going through. And just make sure that your vote counts. That's what's important. Being out there doing that looting and stuff right now is not the answer. You're just going to end up in jail, or you could be dead, just like Mr. Floyd. And I hate to say it that way at this point. That's just what it is, and that's why we got to vote. We got to get certain people out the office, and that's just it. So I hope that, like I said, this review helps someone, and God bless everyone. And I hope everyone is staying healthy and clear of that virus, because don't forget, it's still out there. All right, peace out. Here to be classy. Y'all take care. Bye.